Are you looking for the best enclosed build plate 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best enclosed build plate 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. LongerLK5 3D Printer with Touch Screen. The LongerLK5 3D printer simplifies assembly with 90% pre-assembly, saving 50% assembly time while ensuring better printing quality. The 2.8 full-color touchscreen allows for easy operation with a brand new friendly UI. The new aluminium frame is stylish and durable, allowing for resume printing after power loss and filament run-out detection. The built-in safe power supply ensures user safety and heats the bed 25% faster than other printers. Number 2. Creality End 5 Plus 3D Printer. The Creality End 5 Plus 3D printer is a great choice for those who want a large printing size of 350 by 350 by 400. One of its best features is the auto bed leveling sensor kit, which can precisely measure the tilt of the hotbed surface and offers Z-axis leveling compensation. It also comes equipped with 2 lead screws on the Z-axis, making the hotbed more stable and reducing the chance of bed wobbling or dropping. Additionally, the dual Y-axis motors ensure high-precision printing, and the touch color screen makes operation easy and quick. The printer also includes a tempered glass plate on the heated bed, which makes models easy to remove and provides all-around protection. Number 3. FlashForge Upgrade Creator Pro T3D Printer. The FlashForge Creator Pro T3D Printer is a high-quality printer that offers a range of features to enhance your printing experience. With its upgraded 3.5-inch touchscreen and Wi-Fi connection, operation is smarter and easier than ever before. The patented dual extruder technology ensures precise and efficient printing, making it perfect for education, engineering, design, and hobby printing. The optimized build platform, made from durable 6mm aviation-grade aluminium, can be heated up to 120 C and features a removable curved metal plate for easy model removal. Additionally, the Creator Pro T supports a wide range of materials including PLA, ABS, PVA, HIPS, TPE, TPU, and PETC, allowing for versatile printing options. With FlashForge's 12 months warranty, lifetime technical assistance, and 24-hour professional customer service, you can be confident in your purchase. Number 4. FlashForge Adventurer 3, Auto Leveling. The FlashForge Adventurer 3 is an ideal 3D printer for beginners and schools. Its auto bed leveling sensor allows for easy and quick setup, while the fully enclosed design ensures safety and quiet printing at only 45 decibels. The detachable nozzle design makes maintenance a breeze, and the flexible and heated build plate prevents model warping in printing. With great value and quality prints, the Adventurer 3 is widely considered one of the best budget 3D printers on the market. Number 5. Voxel SSV1 Pro 3D Printer. The Voxel SSV1 Pro 3D printer is a high-quality printing device with multiple features that improve printing accuracy, stability, and convenience. The printer has a larger build volume, an ultra-silent motherboard, and dual Z-axis design for stable and accurate vertical movement. The handheld touch screen provides a responsive and bright interface for convenient operation. The flexible magnetic plate ensures easy model removal and has strong adhesion. The auto bed leveling sensor CR Touch ensures stable quality and compatibility with various printing platforms. The printer is also compatible with different laser heads for 3D printing and laser engraving. Number 6. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is a game changer for 3D printing enthusiasts. Its quick change nozzle allows you to change the nozzle in seconds, without the need for tools of any kind, which makes the printing process much smoother. The removable, flexible build plate is heated up to 60 degrees Celsius, making it easy to remove a printed model. The printer ships fully calibrated and ready to print out of the box. and the auto-leveling feature ensures that the print bed is level every time. With auto-feeding and filament sensor, loading filament is simple, and a built-in sensor recognizes low filament levels and will pause prints in progress until filament is reloaded. Number 7. LongerLK5 Pro 3D Printer. The LongerLK5 Pro 3D Printer is a great choice for DIY homeschool printing, with a large print size of 11.8 by 11.8 by 15.7 inches, stable triangular structure, and dual blower kit. It ensures more stable and efficient printing with less noise. The printer also features a 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen, lattice glass plate, and various functions including filament detection sensor system, resume printing function, and open-source firmware for G-code customization.